Panther wind. Come on, wind. Weave where? Baby, frontal wear. Closure. What's that? That's on me. That's on me, baby. I'm a clown. And it's freezing out here. Ooh, it's icy too. It's not safe for the girl. I'm very clumsy. Anywho, I had to do this intro walking once again. You know how this go. Your girl's running late. So now we here with it. But I just wanted to show you all, and what better way to do it than to be blown in the wind, you know what I'm saying? But this is the finished look, y'all. Make sure y'all thumbs up this video, comment down below, and if you're not already, hit that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I'm about to go get my lashes done, and it's gonna be a good day. So I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. Love you so much. All right, y'all, so we're gonna hop right into this video. I have my hair kind of like oddly braided, so this is like my leave out part that I have, and of course I have my little perm rod on the end, and then I have another braid which is kind of like my anchor braid, and that's what I'm kind of going to be sewing the wig onto. And then I just have cornrows in the back, and I'm just going to sew these up. These last two braids, I'm just going to sew them going up so that they're not in the way. So let me do that really quick. Let me just do that really quickly. Y'all, I'm watching this Love is Blind show on Netflix. This is really weird. Like, I get the concept of it, but like, it's weird. I got my braids sewn up, and so now here's my wig. It is a quick weave removable wig I made. If you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure you check it out because it's how I constructed this wig. I'll leave it in the description box below or in the cards above. But I'm just gonna put her on. Gotta make sure she's on right. Just put her on. So I wanna line it up in the right place. So now I'm gonna just pin this hair back. We're gonna take our needle and thread again, and I'm gonna sew along my anchor braid in the front and then along my braids in the back because we want this baby to be extra secure. I'm gonna be playing in this wig, so I want her to be, you know what I'm saying, not going nowhere. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm literally just taking my needle, going through the anchor braid, going through the wig cap. Please ignore my ashy hands. And I'm gonna double it, pull it through, do the loop-de-loop and pull, and that's how it's gonna be. So I am giving a little bit of tension. You don't want to like pull your whole life out in your scalp, so I'm not going to give it too much tension, but I am going to give it some just so that it's extra secure. haven't really done the back because I honestly don't have time to do the back, if we're being honest. The front is sewn on, literally. Baby girl ain't going nowhere. Here she is. She's sewn on. Super easy. Look at the no words. Come on, Willow. I'll whip my hair back and forth. Come on, Willow. I see you, Will.
All right, so I figured I would do a voiceover for this part so I could kind of explain what I'm doing to kind of blend my hair in. It's pretty self-explanatory, but it also needs to be explained. So I'm here to explain it for you guys. Yeah, don't thank me or anything. It's like, I'm just trying to be helpful. Anywho, so I took down my little twist in the front. I have that twist so that I can so that my curls are kind of there and present. But what you see me do right now is I grab a small piece of the weave and then I grab a small piece of my natural hair and then literally I just twist the two together. Literally, that is all that I do to kind of disguise my hair into the weave. Obviously, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm sure that you can. My texture of hair and the color of my hair is completely different from the weave. So I'm trying to, disguise it in any way possible. And I feel like this method works best for me. I do have 4B, 4C. Honestly, girl, I don't know what type of hair I got. I know that it ain't the same as this weave. So I'm trying to blend it best as I can. And I feel like this way looks the most natural and it hides the wig cap and this track showing as well. I also have this method that I use, the little perm rod that you see in the beginning of this twist. I have those where I kind of take a piece of my hair and then I take a piece of the weave and I basically just perm rod my leave out with the weave. I like that method also, but I feel like it then changes the texture of the hair. The texture that you see here is supposed to be a deep wave, deep curly texture, but when I do the perm rod little method, it kind of turns into something completely different. So I don't really like doing that one too much. And I feel like this is a lot easier and quicker than that one because you have to put product, let it dry. Girl, ain't nobody got time for that. I gotta go somewhere in 5 minutes. So let's go. So this is the one that works best for me. If you have a method that works best for you, please leave it down below so your girls can know because we need help, especially me. Raise my hand twice. Yep, so I'm continuing to do this all over the front of my head and then we finally get to the front and this is how it looks. As you guys can see, it's blended in. Baby, that's all me, baby. I know it's all me. Quit playing. Where's the tracks? Stop. Y'all play too much. Y'all play too much. But this is a flip. So you can flip it from the left to the right, put it in the middle, any way you want. All right, any way you want. But the finishing touch, I'm just gonna add a little bit of the got to be gel to lay my edges. I'm not a huge baby hair person, but I feel like for this look, it gives it a more natural vibe. So I definitely wanted to add some type of, little extra flair. And I have yet to find a edge control that works for me. And that stays all day. So that's why I'm using the got to be glue because it stays all day no matter what. That's pretty much all she wrote. Thank you all so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and follow me on my socials. I love you guys so much. I can't wait to see you in the next one. And give me a kiss. Mwah. Where's the sun? Oh, there's the sun. There she is. Your girl is a vibe. Period.